Is it cheaper here?
Yeah. $60 for this. Butler with overused audio.
Brandon, what do you think about that, Brian?
But Mom, look at this.
Oh,
Mom, look at this.
they got hungry, didn't they? Okay.
I'm trying to find one that works.
Hey, how does this look?
Oh, yeah. It's that hanging skull I showed you.
Chucky.
And they have a Chucky. Like, Matt. They have fog machines. I don't know if that'll work. Foggy. If you can't tell, the odds are circling. That's shaking spider and also the jumping spider. They have this thing, the butcher shop sign.
Oh, they got our TV. Mama. Wait, what happened? I didn't get to see.
I saw it, my $50.
Yeah, but what? Not a spirit, I guess. Or
What's
that other one?
Spirit.
No.
I don't.
Another one? It's over there by the Dollar Tree.
Halloween where? I mean, Superstore.
Have we been there?
There's nothing in there that I like.
They don't have much?
No, it's more costumes and it's more hanging props too.
Do they have like little spiders and things like that?
No, not really. That.
Ooh, what is this?
It's a fogging prop, Lance. Like, press that button on it.
Where?
Press that. There's a button. Press it. Pretty lame. They just recently opened. But Mom, they're gonna have Scorch Scarecrow. They're gonna have the Saw zombie.
Well, I haven't been able to look at this stuff because you guys keep standing over there.
V for Vendetta. Oh, Lance, the Inquisitor lightsaber.